All right, I am here for the next homework. Thursday night's homework for week 18. Okay, this says blank. It says, is the shape a prism, a cone, or a cylinder? This would be a cylinder. Yeah, cylinder. Pretty sure it's a cylinder. All right, so this one would be a cylinder. How many cubes were used to build this figure? So we could find the volume of this by doing length times width times height or base. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3 going across. So that's going to be 3 times going this way is 2. So 2 cubes going that way. So I could times 2. Then the height is 3, stack 3 high. So that's times 3. So this would be my formula. Or I could sit here and count these, which will take longer. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So the volume of this, or how many cubes were used to build this, is 18. Okay, next one says how many 1 in unit cubes would be needed to build a prism with a volume of 16 inches squared. You would need, okay, so how many 1 in unit cubes would be needed to build a prism with a volume? So a volume of 16 inches cubed, that would be 16 cubes. Yeah, 16. Okay, so you would need 16 cubes to build that. And that is it for homework for tonight. But I'll go ahead and do this one because this is going to be very short. So it says, how many vertices does an octagon have? Well, an octagon is an 8-sided shape. Each one of those sides have to meet each other. So that's going to be, would that be 8 vertices? Let me see. Let me draw it. I'm not good at drawing. Let me just pull up a picture of an octagon. Just want to make sure. So an octagon, yeah, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices because it has to, each side has to connect. So that would be 8 vertices here. And then it says, next, number 2, what are the coordinates of the 2 points on the right? So the coordinates that make these 2 points, the first one you have to go over 1 and up 1. So my first coordinate would be 1, 1. Then to make this next dot, you would have to go over 2 and up 1. So 1, 2, over, and then up 1. So 2, 1 would be the next coordinate. And that is it for this homework.